Hey, Sam Beck here, welcome to this video, and I'm excited today to show you Pixel Bolt. This is a new image editing, video editing, and t-shirt editing software. It's 3-in-1. Now down below you'll find out more information. There's also a video on each of these features, so if you want to see a how-to video on each of these features, you'll be able to check them out down below. What I'm going to do is show you this in action on this video so you'll be able to see for yourself what is inside of the software. So if you go down below as well, you'll see a number of bonuses as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. So if you go to Image Editor, click on Start, what it's going to do is allow you to basically choose from a range of hundreds of different templates. Also, you'll notice that we're in WordPress currently. This is built for WordPress. It doesn't mean that you have to use the images with WordPress though. This could be, these images could be downloaded and you can actually use them there as well. So first of all, go to templates. You'll be able to see a range of different templates here. And as we go down, we can find ones that we like. Now, if we decide to download them, we'll be able to download them and use them. We can choose to open these if we want to. And you can see here, these are the different images that are available. Now, there's a number of different styles. These are Facebook covers. You'll see alternative colors here. If we went into Instagram ads, we can find Instagram ads. We can also find alternative colors for those Instagram ads. So you can see that here, all of these loading up. And we'll walk through some of these templates so you can see all that's included with them. As you can see, there are hundreds of these templates. It may take some time to go and do that. I'm not going to walk you through all 24 pages of the alternative colors Instagram ads, but I'm sure you'll find one that really suits your needs in here. There is a ton of different templates built into this. The creators of this have obviously really thought about this and they've put a lot of effort and time into getting all these templates done. So all of them look really professional. You can create logos with this software. You can also create flyers. You've got also Google Ads. Now these Google Ads are advertisements that you could use in Google's advertising network. You choose which size you want and it's going to come up with those sizes. You've also got business cards that you can find as well. These are different business card designs if you want to do this as a service for businesses or if you want to do this for your own company. Or you can go back to the menu this way. So let's create probably what is the most commonly used part, which is the timeline images. So we'll click on download. It's going to go ahead and download it. And now we can click open. So basically it's gone, it's downloaded this template into the software, and now we can use this as we want. Now it's all divided up. You can see here the logo, every element of this is divided up in a way that's easily editable. So if you decided you wanted to edit this, for example, and we wanted to edit it to, say for example, Zabibo. Zabibo is a restaurant that's in Wellington. So we can select this, we can drag it, get it in the center. Zabibo food. You could add in there your domain, so you could say, for example, drag, highlight, and say Zabibo. Cool. Hopefully, I don't think I've correctly named that, but you can see here Zabibo. So you can also zoom out, zoom in if you want to, choose how you want to be editing this, and you can move any of these elements around as you want. Now, one thing is you want to make sure you don't overlap too much. You can overlap because there's these different settings here which will allow you to bring a particular piece of text to the front, but you get the point. So you can add circles, you can add filters to this as well. If you had a photo you would add it. You could add photos, you could add your own designs. You can start your own designs from scratch with this software as well. You can customize again these different looks for your photos. Okay, they're called filters. You can also adjust those as well if you want. Also, you can go to drawing. You can start drawing if you want with the pen tool. You can add additional text here. You can add additional fonts, and you've also got your basic settings up the top here as well. So really impressive piece of software. You can draw, as you can see. I'm ruining it now. So you can then undo if you make a mistake. So you can usually undo. I pushed delete on my keyboard accidentally, but you can undo, you can redo. And if you wanted to, you could then go ahead and download the photo. You could go and click save. You could also go and click the file as well to load up one of the files on your computer if you wanted to. Or you could open up a gallery that you have inside of WordPress and grab any image you want to. Next, you have a video editor here. And in the video editor, the first thing that you need to do is you need to basically go over and you need to add a frame. So you can do that by going into here, clicking new, and then you'll be able to name your project, choose the width, choose the height, enable aspect ratio. Then from there you can choose a video from either the gallery, you can choose a video from YouTube, you can choose a video from Vimeo. Let's just grab a random library image right now, library video, and then from there you can actually edit the video if you want to. So you can add images into the video at different times. So if we wanted to, we could go to our media library here, we can choose to add this image in, we'll go select image, we can add that into the video here, and we can have this appearing inside of the video. So I'll just adjust the size and we'll go like this. It's taking a bit of time to adjust the size because it has to fit inside of the video. Almost there. And as you can see, we've now got our image. So we could say, for example, add this in if we want to, and I'm just going to resize this. You can adjust the size much quicker, I believe, within settings. Probably better doing that. But we'll just, for this example today, I'm just going to go ahead and add this into our video. So just add it like that right here. You can see then it's now added into the layer, and you can actually go ahead and you can choose to select this and add an animation to it. So it could zoom in, for example. You could have it zooming in at a particular point in time. Then you can also play it, so you can actually see a preview of it. Now, one disadvantage that I can see already, you can see it's worked on the video screen, is that the screen is cut off based on the size of this video. So I might want to go into my video settings. You can go into Open Project, and I would be able to open one of these projects, and you're able to resize your video so it's larger. You can see here this is a larger video, so you can, just when you're adding the video, you need to specify the size of the video, and you can make sure that it's it's added a lot easier. So in this particular save file, we have a bunch of different text. You can view the different text, you can preview the effects, you can see it fading in, fading out, and you can add in, basic images, basic text as you want. You can also add some forms. So if you wanted to, you can actually add a subscription form over top of your video, and you can actually generate opt-in leads within your WordPress blog. Now, you've also got the ability to turn off that and turn it back on if you want to, or if we wanted to get rid of that, we could just garbage it and it will go. So that's basically what the software will do. You can add animated basic types of images into here. You can add clip art into here as well, different shapes. You can add random text in here, and it's going to help you to customize your videos and add animations over top of your videos. So in a way, this isn't really a video editor because it's not really editing the video itself directly. What it is doing is it's putting content over top of your videos and allowing you to add animations, call to actions, HTML code. You could have call to action buttons come over your text video at certain times. That's really what this does. And then you've got your different layers here to choose from when these different texts or different images might show up. Cool, now we've got the t-shirt editor. This is the final editor that's included with this. This is a 3-in-1. So we can select the t-shirt, we can choose a t-shirt we want to showcase. Say for example, we're running an e-commerce store. This is really going to be quite useful for that because we can grab a t-shirt design, such as this one right here. We can then go ahead and we can make sure we can view the t-shirt itself. There it is. And then we can add our images, we can add our text as well onto this t-shirt to have a look how it's going to look. So we'll just go ahead, we'll add that in. We can view it on a t-shirt if we wanted to. If we had a random image, we could add it onto our t-shirt, have a look at what it looks like. We could add a random clip art to our t-shirt if we wanted to from this setting here. We could import from file, we could add different t-shirt files, file images from our computer if we wanted to here. We could add logos to our t-shirts. Then you can go ahead and sell these t-shirts, or you can go ahead and get them printed if you want, and you'll be able to use this in order to do it. So you can, as you can see, you can do all sorts of funky things with it. And this, this is mainly going to be used for you if you are looking to get a t-shirt designed, or if you have a t-shirt design already and you're really just looking to sell this from your website and make it look really good. So if you would add your t-shirt design here that you've sent to the printer, and you can customize this for your t-shirt. Again, you can go ahead, you can select different elements, you can choose to unview them or delete them, and as you can see here, you can add clip art as you want to the t-shirt as well, or any text you want to add as well. So you'll know where you want to use this. If you're someone that's selling t-shirts online, obviously this might be quite useful for you. If you are not, then this probably isn't going to be all that useful for you, but you'll be able to use the video editor and image editor to help you along those lines. Now, who's this for? anyone who's doing any sort of image editing or video editing, this is going to be useful for you. If you're running an e-commerce store and you want to be able to showcase t-shirts, hoodies with cool looking designs, this software is going to help you do that as well. Also, you can load up your previous files, you can download photos, you can actually download your projects, and again, you've got a mass of templates. They have a ton of templates within the software. So for the price, I think this is a really good deal. It's easy to use. It's one of the best image editors I've seen for WordPress so far. It does allow you to do everything you'd want to do as far as it goes to images, videos, and even a t-shirt editor, which is very interesting. Again, the video editor itself, it isn't really a video editor. It's more of a call to actions, add over top of your video. So it's more of a video player really than a video editor. So just be aware of that and your limitations there. Now there's some how-to videos on how to use each of these features down below from the creator. If you want to watch those and find out more about the software, you can do that down below. Or if you'd like, go in, get access to the software early, get it at the lowest price, and get all the bonuses as well with it. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.